Hey, have you heard about the new welding project they're working on at the construction site? They're saying it's going to require some serious welding expertise.
Yeah, I've heard about it. Apparently, they're going to need to undergo a welding performance qualification, WPQ, process to ensure the quality of the welds.
WPQ, what's that all about?
A welding performance qualification, or WPQ, is a process where a welder's skills and abilities are evaluated to ensure they meet the required standards for a specific welding application or project.
So, it's like a certification or a test for welders.
Exactly. It involves both a theoretical and a practical component. The welder needs to demonstrate their knowledge of welding procedures, materials, and safety protocols, as well as their ability to produce high-quality welds under specific conditions.
That sounds intense. What does the practical part involve?
During the practical part of the WPQ, the welder has to perform a mock welding task, often referred to as a coupon test. They have to weld specific joint configurations and positions, following a detailed welding procedure specification.
And then what happens? How do they evaluate the welds?
After the welder completes the coupon test, the weld samples are thoroughly inspected and tested for quality. They'll check for defects, strength, and compliance with the required standards.
So, if the welder passes the WPQ, they're qualified to work on that specific project or application.
Precisely. Passing the WPQ ensures that the welder has the necessary skills and knowledge to produce welds that meet the project's requirements, ensuring the safety and integrity of the final structure.
I can see why this process is so important, especially for critical projects like bridges or buildings. It must give the clients and engineers peace of mind knowing that the welders are properly qualified.
The WPQ is a crucial step in ensuring quality control and reducing the risk of weld failures, which could have catastrophic consequences in some applications.
Well, I'm glad there are systems like this in place.